On a golden summer morning in Yellowknife, where the lakes shimmered like glass and the breeze smelled like wildflowers, four best friends gathered for their first day of summer camp. Their names were Zara, Liam, Noah, and Amara, and they were bursting with energy, curiosity, and giggles. They had joined the camp's newest group, the Listening Ears Club, a team known for solving nature mysteries and helping the camp run smoothly. But there was one important rule to stay in the club: listen carefully. Obey kindly. Act wisely. The Whispering Woods camp leader Sage, a cheerful woman with a sun hat covered in feather pins, greeted the kids with a smile. "Today, we're hiking into the Whispering Woods," she said. "There's a secret map hidden under the old birch tree. If you follow the clues, it'll lead you to the Golden Otter Badge, the highest honor at camp." "Yes," shouted Liam, already jumping with excitement. "But first," said Sage, "you must stay close, follow my directions, and most importantly, listen carefully. The forest can be tricky." Everyone nodded, except Noah, who was bouncing on a rock, not paying much attention. Trouble in the trees. As they entered the shady woods, the air turned cool and crisp. Birds chirped high above, and dragonflies zipped like tiny helicopters. "Stay on the path," Sage reminded them. "The map is under a tree with bark that looks like a zebra." "I see it," shouted Zara. "Over there." The group ran, but Noah took off in the opposite direction. "I think it's this way," he yelled, disappearing into a patch of tall ferns. "Noah! Come back," called Amara. But it was too late. He was lost. The echo of ears. Zara, Liam, and Amara stayed calm. "Let's remember what Sage told us," said Zara. "Stay together. Use our listening ears." Just then, they heard a soft whistle. "Hoo-weet." "It's Sage's signal," said Liam. They followed the sound and soon found Sage and Noah, covered in leaves and looking sheepish. "I'm sorry," he said, eyes low. "I didn't listen. I thought I could find it faster my way." Sage gently smiled. "It's okay to make mistakes. But listening helps keep us safe and successful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye."